Yeah, good day. I welcome you to this video where I'm going to show you how to install fonts on your PC. These are the fonts in which I want to install on my PC. But let me show you how to do it. This Antonia personal, let me just click on it. Right click on install. Can you see it now? The font has been installed, but I have numerous fonts, like 66 fonts in which I want to install. Instead of installing the fonts one after the other, what I'm going to do is that press Ctrl A on your system, right click and click on install. You can see it now. This one can now install because it's .ttf. Just click on don't show for remaining item, click on close. It shows that I have this sunshine ornament font installed on my PC before. Just click this one and click on yes. That's how to install fonts on your PC. If you like this, if you get something from this video, I want you to drop the comment box and like this video and share this video to your friend. See you on the next video. Bye for now.